Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can find your PiCoin deposit address. So let's get started. First off, if you guys are interested in other Pi Network related tutorials, you can watch my full Pi Network playlist in the upper right corner, where I show you how you can transfer, buy, sell Pi, etc, etc. And now let's continue. So to get your Pi wallet deposit address, you would need to first off open up your Pi browser. Now, once your Pi browser loads up, you would need to click on the wallet option, this one in the middle. Now, for this, you would just need to enter your 24-word mnemonic phrase right here, or you can unlock it with a fingerprint right here if you have it set it up that way. So I have it set it up with a fingerprint, so I will just click that and log in into my Pi wallet. Now, once you're in your Pi wallet, here you can see your public address, aka your deposit address. So the address that someone would need to have to send you over some Pi coins. Now, here to copy this address, you can just click this copy icon right here, and then the address will be copied. Alternatively, you can also go to the pay/request option and then click on share contact or share my contact. Then this menu will load up, so you can copy your address from here also by clicking copy right here. And that's guys how you can get or obtain your public address or your deposit address for Pi Network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my Pi playlist right here and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.